What is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you how you can start making some passive income with this one application, and on top of that, I'm also going to be giving away some money inside of this video, guys. So just make sure you watch out for that code. That is going to be an Amazon gift card of around $5 or so that you can actually withdraw and redeem as soon as you see it, guys. So the first one to see this actual gift card is going to be the one to win the money. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to be giving away some more money, guys. So make sure you watch this video entirely so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money in 2020. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So before I actually start this video, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to SF734 Visual Tech. He is an amazing person that's going to show you how you can start making some money with your mobile device. He's not going to guarantee you that you're going to be rich, but what he is going to show you is different ways to make money with your mobile device and on your computer. So make sure you go over there, make sure you subscribe to his channel, and also make sure you watch all of his videos because they are really informative and they show you everything, guys. The first application I want to show you guys on how you can start making money is with this application called Rewards Automator. You can literally just got to click on one button to start making this passive and start accumulating some points for Microsoft Rewards. Now I'm going to redeem this for you right in front of your eyes and actually give you guys the actual code to the Amazon gift card. I believe it's going to be around $5. So make sure you keep watching this video so you can get that free gift card, guys. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how this actually works. So once you actually sign up for rewards, Microsoft Rewards, you're actually going to input and log in on this application itself. I'm going to leave the links down in the description of this video. So now what we're going to do is just click on search all. So at the bottom of the screen right here where it says search all, you just got to click on it once and it's going to run through 70 different searches for you passively, guys. So this only takes about, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes for this to actually complete totally. So once it completes, you're going to get the points after those 70 searches are complete. So now you got to just click on rewards to go back to the home screen, and once you get back to the home screen, all 3 of these will be filled up. So that is how easy it is. As you can see, I'm already at 6,000 points right here, guys. So what I'm going to do is actually redeem these points right in front of you and give you the actual code to the Amazon gift card. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on redeem. Now we're going to redeem for anything, guys. Look at this. So once we click on redeem, it's going to show us a whole list of different gift cards and sweepstakes that we can actually redeem for. But I like to get guaranteed money. I like to get guaranteed gift cards from this application. So I'm just going to keep scrolling all the way up to where I see Amazon, which should pop up in a minute. So once we find Amazon gift card, guys, we're just going to redeem that right away. So as you can see, Amazon gift card is right here. It's 5,250 points for a $5 Amazon gift card. So now let me redeem that right here. So as you can see, it's $5 gift card right there for 5,250 points. So now let's redeem. So we're going to click on redeem reward. Now it's going to automatically redeem the reward for us at this email address. So we're going to confirm reward. So now you can see that we just got our $5 Amazon gift card reward. It said it would take up to 24 hours. But again, guys, I'm going to leave the code somewhere inside of this video so you can actually get that $5 for free. So now let me show you the next website, because this is pretty much all this application does, is just make you some passive income. So the next website is actually just unlocking your smartphone device. Now I've talked about this previously on this channel, but I want to show you that this actually works and how much you can actually make from this website alone or this application, guys. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started with this application right away. So now about unlocking my smartphone device, I'm going to get paid 10 cents every single day for just unlocking my phone. So now we're going to unlock it. Now it's going to lead us to the website. Now I got $5.85 on this one application itself. It is called S'mores. Again, I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video. So now what we got to do is redeem these points, and this is how easy it is. You just set it up under that link down in the description, and then the next time you unlock your smartphone device, you're going to get a free 10 cents for doing absolutely nothing, guys. Doing something you do every single day. So why not get paid to do so? So now we're going to redeem our points right here. We're going to choose the good old $5 Amazon gift card. We're going to redeem that bad boy. So if you guys want an extra giveaway from this actual video, or for a video coming in the future, make sure you to actually click on the link down in the description, guys. It says right here, want an extra $3, share this link on social media with it. When a friend uses your power link to sign up a user s'mores for 10 days, you will get 300 points. So if you guys want some more giveaways from this application, and I will be giving it all this money away to you guys, make sure you sign up under that link down in the description. And as soon as I get a next $5 sign up bonus, I will be giving away that money in either inside of my Discord, and that link will be down in the description as well, or even in the next video whenever I get that free $5, guys, for you to start making some money with Amazon. So make sure to click on that link down in the description. So you can see right here, look at all of these cash outs: $5, $1, $2.60, $1, $6, $3, $4, $2, $1, $1, $2, $3, guys. Look at all of that free money that I have just received from doing absolutely nothing but just unlocking my smartphone device. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.